Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today's video is sponsored by NaturAll Club. As you guys can tell from the title, I am going to be showing you guys how I use their new collection of ice cream treatments on my hair. Now these are the treatments right here. So right here I have the original dry solution. This is made with avocado and lavender oil, and it's meant to hydrate and detangle, nourish, etc. This one right here is the repairing ice cream treatment. It's made with wheat protein and argan oil, and this is good for smoothing, strengthening, repairing, and then last but not least, it is opened because I used it, but this is the curl defining ice cream treatment with, I believe is it acai, one of them, and flaxseed. So this is meant to define, moisturize, detangle, elongate. So I'm gonna first give you some information on NaturAll Club if you're new and you haven't heard of them or used their products, and then I'm actually going to show you how this ice cream treatment right here worked on my hair, y'all. So good. I cannot wait till you guys see. Now, NaturAll Club is a Black-owned brand that creates handmade, all-natural, non-toxic hair products for those of us with curls and kinks. And their products are literally so fresh that you have to put them in the freezer. So this one right here is thawed out just because I did use it, but the other two, if you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see, it's definitely hard and frozen because I did take them out the freezer so I could show you the treatments, but you have to put them in the freezer so that they do not go bad and you can, continue to use them on your hair and get all of the benefits. So now that you guys know a little bit more about NaturAll Club and you guys have seen all of the different ice cream treatments, I'm going to just jump right into the demo portion of this video so you guys can see how the treatment worked on my hair, and then at the end of the video I may have a little discount code for y'all so you can save some money on your own purchase of the ice cream treatment, so just stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I started on freshly washed hair. Now you're going to see me use the curl defining ice cream treatment made with acai and flaxseed. Not acai, acai. So it smells really good. It definitely smells like acai berries, and the consistency of this deep conditioner is so creamy and thick. Just look at it. It was so good. And this again is made to define, moisturize, and detangle. And putting this on my hair, I instantly felt the moisture. Like, my hair just felt so soft. As far as the detangling, the slip was everything. I was able to easily glide my fingers through my hair without any hassle. So I loved that. Now, I didn't mention, but these ice cream treatments are cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, and silicone-free, as well as made with other great ingredients like mango butter, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, just some amazing ingredients. So all of those put together make these great ice cream treatments, which just work amazing on the hair. So you just see me continuing to use the treatment on the other side, working it in, detangling, smoothing it, and then I'm going to leave it on for about 15 minutes and you guys will see the results when I rinse it off. So after I rinsed my hair, my curls were left moisturized, defined, and elongated just like the treatment claims. So if any of you are interested in these ice cream treatments, make sure to click the link in my description box and use my discount code above on the screen to save some extra money. And yeah, make sure you check these products out, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.